Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titinan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo in the next 24 hours from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. Because this is a timeless reading, so anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And also, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, Taurus, let's see. What's coming to you next 24 hours? The Hermit. Parang di kayo maglalabas in the next 24 hours. Or you will have more time with yourself in the next 24 hours. I also see you, maaring meron ka mga bagong projects ngayon na sinasarili mo lang muna. May mga planning, yan. Pinaplano mo yung business mo, yung trabaho mo, yung susunod na step mo. But you are not sharing it to others. Yeah. Pwedeng iba sa inyo nagsiset up ng nagtatry work from home. May mga ginagawa na kayong mga hakbang to make it happen. Yung iba naman nagpapatayo ng bahay. Oo, pero hindi niya na pinopost sa social media because ayaw niyo ng mga taong magtatanong. Wheel of Fortune, Ace of Swords. So, I feel like, marami kang plano in the next 24 hours. And, itong pagpaplano na to, hindi naman siya talaga yung minamadali, no? For you, you want things to be clear. Gusto mo may direction. With the Wheel of Fortune, this is about movement. This is your destiny. I think meron kayong realization of your destiny. Kung ano talaga yung life's purpose ninyo. So, yan yung binibigyan nyo ngayon ng attention. I also see you saving a lot of money. Parang meron kang project ngayon na gagawin, no? Na pinaghahandaan mo talaga, lalo na financially. Pwedeng magtatayo ka ng business. And the Three of Wands is also about travel. So, pwedeng may soul searching. At yung paraan mo ng soul searching is through travel. Oo, mas nagkakaroon ka ng solitude. Peace of mind. Yung iba, solo traveling ang ginagawa. And I think you are always safe. You are always protected. With the Ace of Swords, maaring merong makikipag-communicate sa'yo from your family. Ito yung matagal mo nang hindi nakakausap. In the next 24 hours, pwedeng kukumustahin ka. So, pagdating sa kaya nga siguro ikaw yung nagpaplano, no? Kasi having a backup plan is a good way to deal with unexpected financial crisis. So, talagang you want to make sure na yung mga projects mo, yung mga plano mo ay mangyayari. Yes, nag-iiba na rin yung pananaw mo pagdating sa pera. Mas maingat ka na ngayon sa pag-handle ng finances mo. Mas nagiging positibo ka yung pananaw mo. At ang nakikita mo na ang pera as a tool, no? Isang tool para mas mapaunlad yung sarili mo, yung buhay mo, hindi lang para ibili ng mga bagay. This is your spirit animal, In making decisions in your business or career, follow your gut and trust your instinct. Yes. So, pagdating sa decision making, yung instinct mo ang susundin mo. Yung iba sa inyo, magaling kayong technician. Sabi rito, don't fix what isn't broken. So, kung wala namang problema, isang bagay sa trabaho, sa career, sa business, wag mo na siyang i-complicate, no? Dahil maaring maging problema lang in the future. Ayan. Ito na yung sinasabi kong financial stability, financial security. You are saving a lot of money, no? Maaring meron kang realization na, teka, kailangan ko na palang magsimula. Or, pwede kasing plano nyo yan nung January. But for some reasons, meron kayong ibang mga pinagkagastusan, hindi natuloy yung pag-iipon nyo. Ngayon, mag-iipon na kayo. Mas magiging disiplinado kayo. You are growing your finances. Yung iba sa inyo merong investment na papasukin. Ace of Cups, new source of happiness. Yung iba very business-minded, no? Kaya lang lately, marami kayong stress or maraming iniisip. Pwedeng sa business launching, yung bagong products na ilo-launch mo, pwede rin namang diskarte mo sa trabaho mo ngayon. Maaring you really want na meron kang goal, no, na bago matapos yung taon, ma-promote ka. And ayan yung pinapasok mo sa isip mo ngayon na mag-set ng goals for this year. Nine of Coins, Queen of Coins. When it comes to your finances, you don't have to worry about your resources kasi kumbaga talented enough ka na para makapag-create ng pera whenever you want, no? So, you are just going to use your resources. Be careful with people who will try to uutang, okay? Kasi pwedeng hindi na ito bayaran. So, syempre, sabi nga nila, mas maganda na tumulong na lang kesa magpautang. At least, yung itutulong mo, kahit magkano, at kung hindi na yon ibalik, edi okay lang kasi at least parang tulong mo na, no? So, hindi pa sumama yung loob ng taong nanghihiram sa'yo kasi trinay mo naman na i-extend yung help sa kanya, 'di ba? So, may mga rin, I also see people who are envious of your success or yung hindi lang kasi success ang pwedeng kainggitan but also yung determination ng isang tao kasi hindi lahat ng tao determinado na ma-achieve yung goals nila. And pag may nakikita silang ganong tao, naiinis sila kasi parang hindi nila magawa yun on their own. Kaya parang pinoproject nila yung frustration nila dun sa tao, no? So, sa relationship, I think you will have more time with your friends going out, lalo na kung ikaw ay single. Or also your family. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong, if you are connecting with someone, pwede tong napag-uusapan nyo na yung having your own family. Medyo seryoso na, no? Oo. So, I think, kung ganun na yung tema ng usapan nyo, ibig sabihin, pwedeng open kayo na i-discuss yung mga gusto nyo pag kayo ay nag-settle down. Merong attraction, no? Romantically attracted. So, pwede yung iba sa inyo, isang kaibigan, ang romantically attracted to you. Dahil mas lalo nilang nakikita na inaalagaan mo yung sarili mo, hindi ka na nagpapabaya. So, kumbaga, it seems na you are more attractive than before. Kasi, maaring, ka na ngayon, disiplinado ka na sa skincare. Oo, you're practicing self-love, self-care. So, pwedeng merong kang kaibigan na interesado. May potential tong relationship na to. Mukha naman siyang seryoso. Pwedeng Cancerian yan. The Chariot is also about movement. Pwedeng Libra. Oo. I think this relationship is going to be successful in the future. Lalo na pag nasa early stages pa lang at enjoy nyo muna yung time ninyo sa isa't isa. I feel like this is going to be a success. Oo, ito yung tipong hindi nyo bibitawan yung isa't isa, ipaglalaban nyo, no matter what. You are awakening to your soul's potential. So, I think yun nga, alignment ng energy mo sa iyong life's purpose. Uy, may unity heart. So, I think, yung mga ka-deal mo ngayon, especially sa romantic connection, Ang importante sa'yo is meron kayong deeper connection. Hindi siya yung mababaw lang na for fun or for pleasure. It's more on the soul connection. Yes. You are going to allow anxieties and worries to be released. So, yung mga worries mo, pag-aalala mo, i-release mo na yan. And you will just go with the flow and enjoy. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye.